Okay, so I'll just discuss some of the questions that you guys got. Sorry, English like I'll just discuss some of the questions that you faced in the internal test. Okay, the two questions. One set of people had this question: x to the power 3 into x to the power minus 3. So you're using the rule. If you have a to the power m into a to the power n, you can add the powers m plus n. So if I use this rule, what I'll get is x to the power 3 plus minus 3, which is x to the power 0, and any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So 1 is the correct answer. Another set of people must have faced x to the power 3 plus x to the power minus 3. Now remember, you cannot use the earlier rule to solve this. Maximum what you can do is you can write this as x to the power 3 plus 1 by x to the power 3. So which rule am I using? I am using this rule. If it's a to the power minus m, I can write it as 1 by a to the power m. Okay, you might have seen this rule in the reverse, but anyways, so if I do this, LCM edukka x to the power 3, so that is x cube by 1 plus 1 by x cube, so your denominator is x cube. Here you have x to the power 3 into x to the power 3 plus 1 is equal to x to the power 6 plus 1 divided by x to the power 3. Okay, I think that was the option that was given to the people. Okay, so the next question that odd rule numbers faced was 2 to the power x whole to the power 2. Is it equal to 4 to the power x? So I'll just convince you. So I'm using the rule, if you have a to the power m raised to the power n, you can multiply the powers m into n. So I can write this as 2 to the power x into 2 or 2 into x, 2 to the power 2x. Now by the same logic, I can also write it as 2 square raised to the power x. Using this same formula, if I expand what I have written over here, this will also be 2 to the power 2x, or I can write this as 2 square is 4 to the power x. So this option is true. Another question that people got was 2 to the power a by 2 to the power b. Is it equal to, or it is equal to, a square by b square? Is it true? No, it is not. It is false. Okay, because there is no way you can transfer from here to here. This is not possible. Okay, maximum what you can do is you can write this as probably 2 to the power a minus b. You can write this as a by b to the power 2, but no matter what transformation you do, this will never be equal to each other. Okay, so that is false. Okay, another question was, you had been given the question, find the total revenue at p equals to 10. My demand function was q equals to 90 minus 2p. Okay, so one question paper was to find the quantity demanded at price equal to 10. For those people, your answer will be 90 minus 2 into 10. So that's 90 minus 20, which is equal to 70. The other question paper, same demand function, same price, but I had asked for total revenue. So if it is total revenue, it will be price times quantity. Your price is 10, your quantity was 70, 700. So I think most of you have got this correct. Only some people, they were a little careless. They didn't read the question properly, so they must have, given us the wrong answer. Okay. So similarly, another demand function that was given, this time it was in terms of x. X is 200 minus 4p. Your price was specified as 20. So in one question paper, I asked you to find the quantity demanded. So all you have to do is x equals to 200 minus 4 times 20, which is equal to 200 minus 80 is 120, right? And in the other set of question paper, I said find total revenue. So total revenue here is P, small p into x. Now, I hope you are noticing that the terms which are given in the question, the symbols which are given in the question, I am being consistent with the same symbols and notation. Okay, please be careful. Here in this question, okay, one second, I'll just, so 120 into 20 I think is 2400. So that's the right answer. Now, see, in the earlier question, price was capital P, quantity was capital Q. So I have remained consistent with my notation throughout the solving, right? And in the second question, quantity is not Q, it is X. Price is not capital P, it is small p. So remain consistent with the symbols. That way you are avoiding confusion, because later on you will have bigger sums to solve, where if you confuse between X and Q, you will make a lot of mistakes. I have been correcting maths papers for some 5 years now, and people always get confused between X and Q. Okay, remain consistent with the symbol that you are seeing in the question paper.